Hold on, let me say. So I keep my love. Beauty and the Beast. My so caliber girl.
Chrissy, may I get the food for you? I swear.
Yes, Kareem, go and go get the food. Go and go get the free food.
The food might free and it full my belly, but no mean give people gas.
No, I would have get a shot too. I guess, Kareem, I guess you up. Hey girl, come and have a gas station. Hey, and come have a gas station. You never hear about me? You never hear about me? Kareem never tell about me?
I don't need Kareem to tell me about you. You don't know nobody.
Well, say, me and nobody? Come down here, so. Come right here, so come tell me that. Right here, so. Come say it.
Here.
I heard that. Come over here, so. Right here, so. Come tell me. Right here, so.
Over this, so you have to stay. Over this, so fit you. Right in between the rubbish pan them.
Oh, say. Hello, let me tell you this. You know the only thing you deserve for over there, so I your wig with your baby ear, them you graduate college. Then the baby ear, them their parent. Then they go to supermarket and put things in a trolley. Man, don't know what to have on your head. You and your adult ear, them are only for
No, ladies, we can't do this. We can't do this, especially right here.
Tell me nothing.
Are you know, you can't just ease yourself.
So, tell me try head friend.
Here's the
and that's
food.
the need for dog.
Thank you very much. You know, see, it's easiest to come here.
First of all,
Kareem, do me a favor. Put a dozen snowmen on my bill for her.
yes, at least I finally got done pay for something because I don't know what I tell you. You need to talk to your come on girlfriend me here. You know, some I got done the look water shape, girl. No, let go from me.
But say, no, say, ease yourself. Even when you go with be a problem.
Be a problem, I never talk to your friend. Listen, the only problem is the soft fear here. Instead of map them, just want to turn off map the floor with you.
Just be your best, because you realize you don't have friends.
Friend can't go to supermarket and friend can't pay rent. So what do you miss there? With them people in your shop, she can't feel good. You know what I'm saying? When the cat's away, the mice will play. With the big rat them. You look a swore at them. You don't say rat give up leptospirosis.
Patsy, what you want? Because me have some delivery for go make and time ago, I'm off at the shop. Because I'm me one. So what you really need?
Are you one? You don't say never answer me. You want to look at miss? I can lock up shop.
Yeah, liar. Are you hairdresser? I tell you that she don't feel good and you ask me again, you interrogate me.
You know what I'm saying? Two of them are the same thing. Two of them get in a people's head. Anyways, mother for ask you one question. Why you want to look a girl over the side of one in now? I'm not fast, I'm not fast, I'm fast. I'm just curious.
The mother thing asked me that question here. Patsy, for the last time, she is just a customer. She support the business. Alright? We are just acquaintances. For the last time. Jesus Christ.
Kareem, I'm going to tell you something. So look at Miss is a nice girl. That girl there, she not give you no bun. I know how the man stay now. I don't know dirty or how the tan. Behave yourself, you hear? Because that girl you have a nice good girl. Don't hurt the girl. You understand what I say?
Right. Greetings, ones and ones. How is everything? Wagwan, bossy.